Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the hand sync feature in Explaindio 4.0. In a previous video I showed you how to use the sketch animation, so I'd encourage you to watch this video. So I've got a project open here with a few scenes. In this first scene, I've got 3 social media SVG images and 3 text boxes with the names of the social media. If I open the timeline, you can see that I've placed the elements to animate in sequence in a step format. If you do a scene preview, you'll see that the sketch hand sketches one element, goes off the canvas, comes back, sketches the next element, and so on and so forth, one after the other. Now, if I go back to the timeline, for each element, you'll see that there is an S in a square box. It's called the hand sync. To demonstrate this, I'm going to place all the elements at the start of the timeline, like so, by dragging them. Next, I'll click on the hand sync button for each of the elements, except the first one, like so. And if you do a scene preview again, you'll notice that the sketch hand remains on the canvas while sketching all the elements instead of going off the canvas. So that's how you use the hand sync feature, which can come very handy when using sketch animations. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.